Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be unboxing a gaming headset that I got at Five Below. My video's in the background, which is it's that is being played right now, that video. My PlayStation 4 gaming videos, that video is actually mine. I actually basically was recorded via PS4. So don't think of somebody else's video, it's basically mine. It's one of my videos regarding Spyro's Dragon, part of the trilogy. Anyways, this headset is for PS4. It has a PC adapter too. It's compatible with PS4, Xbox One, and the PC. It has a built-in microphone. So, I'm gonna see if my voice could be heard as I stream. As I can stream more PS4 footage. Let's see what's gonna do next time. I think this is for the PC, but here it is. I got the microphone. Here's the headphones. And before we go for the instructions, you can adjust your headphones. It's adjustable volume control. And here's the information about the thing. This headset hopefully works with the controller so I can record, stream more. That's pretty much it for this video.